Look at that beautiful view from the top. Father and son time.
Yeah.
2, 1. Oh, my son is getting up there. This is a bad idea. Oh, cramp already. Oh. My son is trying to get ready for track next season, and he wants to do a little run up and down the stairs. Look at this beautiful trail. We're gonna do up and down the stairs, father and son time.
Yeah.
Look at this beautiful scenery. All right, ready? Let's go. Oh, my son is getting up there. Be careful, it's wet too. Make sure you have traction. Whew. Whoa! I worked on my leg yesterday. My quad is cramping up right now. Just like that. Whew. This is a bad idea to run up and down the stairs on a day after leg day. Woo! My quad is cramping up. Whew, almost there. I had to slow down with the quad cramping up. Don't ever go up and down the stairs one day after your leg exercise. That's a bad idea. We are at the top. Look at that beautiful view from the top. From the top all the way back down, we have the lake across from us. All right, ready to run downstairs?
Yeah.
Watch our step.
Next time it's not raining, it's like I want to do it like a couple of times instead of once.
Yeah, and next time I make sure I don't do my legs.
Yeah.
Yeah, right now it's probably not a good idea to run with the water. Slippery. Going back down is not as bad. It doesn't cramp up like going up. kidding. It started to downpour now. This is sweat. Nah, this is actually sweat. Or is it the rain?
Fake it.
Fake it till you make it. I'm sweating. Or it's pouring. One of the two. Whew. Well, we didn't quite get the full speed because the floor is wet and the algae built up on the stair. We gotta take it slow.
Make it slippery. I slip like so.
Well, it starts to downpour now. Well, we had to, our intent was to go up and down the stairs a couple times, but when it's raining this hard, the floor is wet and it's slippery. It's not safe for us to go up and down full speed. So we just call it a day and we'll come back next time when it's sunny with no rain or cloudy with no rain. What sign?
There's like a sign sticking up over there.
Oh, the park stop?
Yeah.
Okay.
Try it.
Oh, you want to hold it? Oh, my son, so, all right, on our way back, my son won a race, so let's see who wins. Racing back to the car. On a count of 3 down to 1, right?
To the car?
No, to the stop sign.
All right.
Okay, hold on. 3, 2, 1. Oh, the young man. He just smoked his dad. Oh, I just blame it on the rain because it's slippery. My son just smoked me. Oh, I can just blame the rain.
It was the rain.
Because
right.
It's slippery. What a workout. You picked the wrong day to go out for a run.
Didn't check the weather.
Look at that lake. We'll be here more during the summer or late spring.